Kaya nga inaano niya, akala niya yung kayak kasama na sa ano. Yung Talula ba to? Silicio. Bro, ano gagawin ko bro?
O baka punta ka doon sa kit, picturean mo yung kit nyo.
Oo.
Hello!
Hello.
Welcome to the Simiso Island. Yeah.
Bro, tutusok.
It's now, you can bring to snorkel. I'll go to the small kids there. We have the small kids.
Small what?
Kids.
Cave.
Cave. What is it?
Cave.
Wall.
Wall. Oh, so you can swim inside.
Yeah.
Is there jellyfish?
No, we have the jellyfish here.
Okay.
But it is very small and very nice to places. And
Okay.